the super duper feature update.
It's super duper duper.
Define your default collection name. Hey there, Supered partners. We've got another feature update for you. This one's pretty good. You're going to be able to now change the name of the default collection when you're installing a package for your users. Let's check it out with Supered Steve.
What is up, Super Squad? Super Steve here, coming in with a small but mighty update for our partners out there. One of the feedbacks is when you have this white labeled Supered instance and you're setting up your client accounts, one of the first things that they see when they log in is the word Supered, because even if you were to customize the logo and everything, the default collection is named Supered. Let me show you what I mean by that real quick. Just create a test here. As I create this account and go into it, this package is called Supered and the URL says Super. So let's take care of that. All you have to do is go to your partner settings and change the default collection name in slug. Let's go ahead and give a branded collection name for our account here. I got this mint green theme, so let's go on that. Now, whenever I create a managed partner account, you'll see that the title is here and the URL slug has changed. It's a small little change, but now the word Supered is removed from your instance. Gives you a little bit more branding and give that awareness to your customers. So this feature is available now, and it's pretty easy to get set up here in the partner settings. One thing you'll notice is it's not retroactive. So if you have customers that you want to change their existing collections, we can help you do that. But these collections now will be going forward only. So stay awesome, stay supered.